Hello guys, how are you all? Welcome to another video. This video is a little different because I got bored of Grow a Garden, and now we are doing another season of Civilization, which is the season 5. So before we did season 4, and I didn't do any good introduction of the people we are working with. So some of the people come often that are in the Panther family and are core members, considered core members by me, but some are in the management team. So we will go through one by one who is in the management team and who is in the the core team. So, in the management team, we have first of all we have the head manager, which is Rusty. So, I will also put the profile of Blockmando so that if you wanna add them, you can add them and contact me indirectly. As we have a limit in Blockmando of friends, so you can add them and we can talk indirectly in groups. So like I said, so Rusty is the head manager. So what Rusty does basically, he manages all the civilization based things, like if there is a conflict, if there is a if someone abused someone in the civilization group or in civilization, he handles it. The second, who is the in civilization there are two things: one is external and one is internal management. So in internal management we have Sloth, which is the internal management affairs manager. So he is the internal affairs manager, means he basically looks after all the balancing things, like how to balance the economy of civilization and how to balance the whole civilization and not cause inflation or an outburst in the civilization. Because if people just get too much rich in a civilization season, then there is no point to play the season, as it will only depend on the PvP skills, which I don't want. So you would be able to see his profile. So Sloth is a very intelligent person, mainly most intelligent out of everyone in civilization. And third is Hammy. So Hammy is basically a hamster, like I told. I mentioned it many times in civilization video. So Hammy is the event manager and map creator. So he basically puts a watermark in all the civilization about his creation and his maps. And it's fair also because he creates all the maps. So what he does, he creates a map. He basically puts all the basic things like the spawn, makes it inescapable, as we know that in civilization we only have one life. So in civilization, not to mention, but we have introduced a new feature, which is the slave trading this time. So you all can trade your slaves this time. So basically the teams will be set by us, but then you can trade people with each other or kick them and make them homeless. So it's up to the kings. So let them decide who, and if you wanna participate in such events, they are not free. They have prizes and the entry is free, so everyone can join. So you all can also participate. Not wasting any time, let's get back into the video of introduction. Next we have Lost. Lost is very intelligent, and you have also seen his intelligence is in season 4, where he basically won the civilization very easily. Then we have Andy. We have basically Andy is a very skilled PvPer, but he lacks intelligence. So that is one thing that he needs to overcome. Then we have Devin. Devin only knows to make strategies, but he is unable to use those strategies in real time. Then we have a multi-game player who is Rika. So Rika is basically he plays Roblox and many other games simultaneously. So he has a lot of experience of things like Civilization. Then the most experienced player here who I think will win this season is Ordi. So Ordi, you can see, you can go through his profile also. You can search it up in Blockman though. His PvP skills and his intelligence skills is just because he has a lot of experience in like build and shoot and TNT tag. So the thing I'm telling TNT tag because tag improves your aim a lot. So if you wanna practice aim, you should do play TNT tag or grind in TNT tag. So I used to play it when my aim used to decrease or when my aim used to vanish. So I used to play TNT tag a lot. So moving on, who all are left? I have to see the list once. Then we have Jimmy. So Jimmy is basically, he is a kid, so don't expect much from him. Moving on, then we have Daniel. So Daniel is basically a new member and he is showing potential of winning the civilization. Again, I don't know his PvP skills, so I don't include new member in if they are in not in the core form. Means if they are not in mature form. Then we have Rexy. Rexy PvP is a rot and also practices in rooms for survival and SMP games just like Undi. So his and Undi's skills are at par for civilization, and if someone is gonna win this civilization then it will be definitely Rexy, Ordi or Undi. So they will have a tough competition, but you never know what will happen in civilization. The last, I guess the last player is, yes, so the last player is SHT. So SHT knows about building a lot, but his survival skills is too much because he knows survivals a lot. So that's all for today, guys. Hope you all enjoyed this introductory video and be happy and peace out, guys.